Hello and welcome to Popalong RC. I am here today in the middle of the woods. Because I'm visiting a track that I used to come to when I started RC at this track many years ago, and they have recently relocated their track, and it's in the woods. Let me show you. So walking along this track here, I can hear cars, I can see cars, I can see a rostrum. So here it is. I guess it's only just the first year it's here, and it looks fresh and new and nice, and it's underneath the beautiful canopy of the great British, I'd say, countryside, and it's Hemel Radio Controlled Car Club, or Hemel, or HRCCC as it's otherwise known. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. Let me marshal this car. Okay, sorry. So it's going to be an interesting day because I have to confess I have been out. I'm going to race the LC10 B5 V2 today because I don't really get a chance to run the thing, and it'd just be nice to get it out. It's bumpier than it looks. It's got little sort of mill end vibes really, but yeah, really cool place to race RC cars. So I guess we should get to it really. So you're back with this.
I'm back.
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah.
This is great. The car's suited to this track. I'm suited to this track.
Yeah, because we used to race here, well, not here as such, but
Across the way there. Perhaps we'll go over there later on.
yeah, we'll have a little. Yeah, we'll
But
do
yeah.
that with the old track. Yeah.
We were here
It's
a
looking
long
good.
time. Yeah, no, I'm happy. It's not broken yet. We'll just keep on getting it round. That's all I want to do. It's great.
You know, we went to Nathan Rolls's training day the other day, obviously, and I don't know why, but I didn't do a track walk when I got here. What a wally! I should have done, because this looks flat. This looks like bowling green flat. It's really not. So it's catching me out, man. The first round. Luckily, it didn't get caught on camera because it was. I was cartwheeling it everywhere. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Let's see how Alan gets on. Just doing the old transponder check. I think if he just sits tight and just gets through it, he'll be all right. So we've got Alan up there, my brother. There he is. Look, back out of his B4. He's comfortable with that. In fact, the last time this was properly raced, we took it to Hearts, was in this forest, but over there somewhere, not here, because they obviously moved tracks. So yeah, I've been out. I did all right. Bumpier than it looks, to be honest. So I know where the lumps and bumps are now. So hopefully I'm going to take it a bit easier. Slow is fast and all that. Right, we're going to follow a few cars round on this one. Actually, I better move in case I get hit. So, like I say, every round is a race basically, which is really cool because you can pick and choose people on track that you can race with. Let's follow this front runner and watch the lines. Again, using some of the stuff that I learned before. I have walked the track since, and I've had a look. And if you look here, inside line, if you stay on the inside line, you're going to do okay. I'll head on the rostrum and I'll show you it from there. Right, let's follow Alan round, see how he gets on. It's quite tempting just to hammer it, but it's really technical. You're far off better, as I said before, turning turbos and things down just to get round it. Follow the racing line if you can. Nice, that's a good lap. I think he's really enjoying this because it's very similar to what we used to do back in the day, as we said earlier. If you can get around without making any mistakes, you're going to do well. Nice. Yeah, he's got it dialed. Looking good. Right, so halfway through, really enjoying this. It's quite nice and relaxed actually, which is nice because I've been working quite hard lately. So to come here and just have a chilled one is very cool. Still got 2 rounds to go. So like I say, there's 7-minute races, which is good to get loads of track time. 4 rounds. I put different tyres on now. I had too much front grip, so see how I get on this one. There's not much footage in my car because I'm obviously filming. Right, up on the rostrum, let's talk you through it. So, there's my car there. Right, we start here, obviously where the line is. Down here, a bit bumpy. You've got to stay to the right here because there's a little bump here. around nice and tight around there, behind this amazing tree. Look at this stuff here. Glad they kept that. Around here, straight line, I guess. Around here, keep the car level, try and jump, land it about there, straight in. Again, straight line. As you can see there, there's like bumps. Boom, 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 boom. So, either left or right. Probably right this way here. And nice and tight, and then obviously around here, start again, staying on this side here. I pinged my car off into the woods a couple of times. But yeah, it's a great track. Technical because of all the bumps, but it's off-road racing, right? That's what it's meant to be like. So we've got loads of different cars here. Let's see if we can spot a few. I don't know what that is. We've got an RB10 here, 2-wheel drive, ready to run. It's going well around here. We've got a FTX Vantage by the look of it over there. It's got hooked up. Yeah, all different array of cars.
Race finished.
Yeah, but I'm not marked up because I'm pretty worn out.
So it's pretty much time to go home. We have had, Alan and myself have had a really good day here over at Hemel Radio Control Car Club. Nice to be back. But listen, before we go, I wanted to show you where the old track was, because this is a massive step up from there. Really enjoyed it, so thanks for letting us pop along. Let's see what the other track looks like now. So this is where the old track was. So you've got the old rostrum there. Must be a sturdy build, it's still there. And then of course you got all the different bits of Astro and stuff. This is a lot smaller. Actually, I remember it being bigger. Roll VT. So this was us when we visited 7 years ago, when we started the whole Popalong RC journey. We came down here with a couple of Vantages, and they were running all sorts of stuff here, really. The off-road stuff and then the rally stuff, and it was pretty cool. And this is it now. But of course it's not sad, because the track, as you can see now, is so much bigger and better. I suppose the cars have got faster, really, so they need more speed. Anyway, back to here. So we've got our 2 cars out. Now that's an interesting one, because the car on the right is our dad's car, ain't it? From back in the day. And the last time that would have been raced was exactly where it's sitting right now. And then of course we got your car here. Yeah. There you go. So there you go.